Hello everyone, and welcome new subscribers. Today we're going to be talking about the SlotBar by Dent. The SlotBar was designed for glue pulling dents out in various locations on the car, but it had to be a versatile setup, very powerful, and the SlotBar can do that. Another great benefit to the SlotBar is how lightweight it is. And also, you're not using your shoulder or your wrists, you're using a drill. You can control the power and speed of the way you're lifting the tab or the steel tabs to take the dent out. At dentdial.com, we are also having an end of the year sale. If you have any questions, please post a comment below. Keep an eye out for more of our videos. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Thanks for watching and happy pushing.